Good evening folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's safe, hope everybody's well. So today's video goes out to anybody considering either wallpapering or boarding over a ceiling. Now it could be a DIYer or handyman such as myself, it might be a professional tradesperson, or simply a kind friend or relative helping out another person who wants to make life a little bit easier for themselves. So in today's video then, I'm going to show you how you can have your very own 7-foot helper that can reach any ceiling, that is strong, patient and reliable, and doesn't charge by the hour. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make your very own T-prop. In this video, the caveman will be showing you how to put the pop back in prop. So you will need then 3 pieces of timber of different lengths. So the first piece of timber then will need to be a few inches longer than the distance between the floor and the ceiling. The second piece will need to be wide enough to support whatever it is you're carrying. So that's going to be your support. And the third bit then will be either the same size or slightly smaller, which will act as a brace for the support. Now the good thing about this is the fact that you can make this T-prop using bits of timber which might be lying around, or else you can simply go down to your local DIY store, buy cheap bits of timber and just cut them to size, and if you put them together right, then they will last you for many years to come. You will also need a drill in order that you can secure these using screws. I would suggest against using nails because they do tend to split the wood. So options then may include some sandpaper to smooth down any rough edges, or some strips of rubber to add a little bit of grip to whatever it is you're trying to hold up. And I'm thinking about something like the draft-proof strips which you can put on the edges of doors and frames, that sort of thing. Or I suppose if you've got an old inner tube of a bicycle, you could always fix that to the timber just to give a little bit more grip. Anyway, look, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much indeed for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, tell your family and friends, and please drop by again. Thank you. Bye-bye.